everyone, welcome back to Xplody FPS. Your girl Saira here. So today I've got something super useful lined up, especially for those of you who record videos, stream games, or just hate mic background noise ruining your vibe. I'm gonna show you the top 3 voice noise cancellation tools that can clean up your mic quality like magic. Whether you're using a basic headset or a USB mic, these tools will seriously level up how you sound, even if you're sitting next to a fan, typing loud, or got background chatter going on. Now here's the best part. 2 of these are totally free, and one of them is so powerful it even works on older GTX graphics cards. We'll check them out one by one, and I'll guide you on how to install, use, and get the best results with each one. So sit back, relax, and let's clean up that messy mic together. Alright, starting off with the first one, NVIDIA RTX Voice. Now I know the name says RTX, but here's the trick. It actually works on GTX cards too, with a simple tweak. And believe me, this tool is insane. It removes fan noise, keyboard clicks, background hum, even people talking in the back. It uses AI to isolate your voice and mute everything else. First, just open your browser and search for NVIDIA RTX Voice. Click on the official NVIDIA link. Once the web page is open, scroll down and you will find 2 options. Option A is for RTX users, but since I'm a GTX user, option B is for me. Click on download and it will start downloading. In my case, my IDM extension isn't integrated with this browser. Haha, I forgot that. So I opened it in a new page, copied the link, and then pasted it into IDM. Anyway, once it's downloaded, the installation is pretty simple. Just install it by following the prompts. The installation process looks like installing GPU drivers, haha, but don't worry, you can clearly see that it's RTX Voice, not GPU drivers. It takes just a few seconds, and then it will start up automatically. Once it's started, there are 2 options. One for the input device, which means the noise cancellation function for your microphone, and the second one for the output device, which deals with incoming voice. Yes, you can remove noise from both sides. The input device removes background noise like your fan, keyboard, or any type of noise, while the output device works for incoming voice. Just make sure to enable the check option and adjust the level bar for the best balance. It removes background noise, but at 100%, it might also affect your incoming voice or your own voice, so adjust both accordingly. Alright, now let's move on to the second tool, Krisp. Krisp is another fantastic option for noise cancellation, and it works on both Windows and Mac OS. It's simple to use and offers both free and paid versions, so even if you're on a budget, you can still get the job done. To get started, head over to Krisp's official website. Just type Krisp into Google, and you'll be directed to their homepage. Once you're there, look for the download button and click on it. The download will begin immediately. It's a straightforward process, and Krisp will walk you through the installation steps, which are pretty much the same as any regular app install. Once Krisp is installed, you'll be prompted to sign up for an account. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. After that, open Krisp, and you'll see 2 main options. First, there's the input device, which is where you'll select your microphone. Krisp will then analyze your audio and remove any unwanted background noise. The second option is the output device. This is where you can apply noise cancellation to the incoming audio, so you can hear the other person more clearly. You can enable or disable noise cancellation for both your microphone and speakers independently. This is perfect if you only want to remove background noise from one side. For example, if you're gaming or doing a call, just make sure to test both sides before jumping into a meeting or stream to make sure everything sounds just right. Krisp also provides a useful mute/unmute button that you can access quickly. If you're in a noisy environment and need to mute your mic, it's right there. Now, let's talk about the third tool, Clownfish. Clownfish is another excellent noise cancellation tool, but it works a little differently compared to RTX Voice or Krisp. It's a lightweight app that integrates directly with your system, so once it's installed, you can use it with any communication software like Discord, Zoom, Skype, and more. To get started, head over to the official Clownfish website. Just search for Clownfish Voice Changer on Google and you'll find the download page. Once you're on the site, click the download button and save the installer to your PC. After the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation instructions. The installation process is super simple, so you shouldn't run into any issues. Once it's installed, open Clownfish, and you'll see a small icon in your system tray. Right-click on that icon to open the settings. From here, you can select your input device, which would be your microphone, and then enable the noise cancellation feature. However, a quick heads up. Clownfish doesn't always work perfectly for every user. Some people experience issues with the tool, so if you face any problems, don't worry. I've already uploaded 2 detailed methods to fix any Clownfish-related issues. Both methods are different. One is a basic fix, and the other is more advanced. You can check them out in the video description and follow the steps to get Clownfish working properly. Once you have everything set up, adjust the noise cancellation settings for your mic to find the best balance. You can also use Clownfish's other voice modulation features, like changing your voice to sound like a robot or a helium voice, if that's something you're into. But for noise cancellation, just focus on the mic settings. So that's it for today's video on the top 3 noise cancellation tools. Whether you're using RTX Voice, Krisp, or Clownfish, you've got some great options to clean up your audio and make your voice sound crystal clear during calls, streams, or recordings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or run into issues with these tools, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more content from Xplody FPS. This is Saira, signing off.